Balei Ngi Phong Ngide ka sur jung pait ba hakani ka episode ka bakharar ngin ya thu ipi Balei Ngi Phong ya gani ka mas hakini ki khatwei tli ki episode ki baladam nilai iba ki don ka to ka ni na phi ki bawit ya gani ka mas but ki bawit ya gani ka sur ka bangi kran kani ka pen iba ki babun na phi philong ki brio ki basadum but ki brio ki babit but pim smu thu ya ka jing thmu ka jungi ya kani ka mas phi ong ka durbula lani ka durksud but ya ka sur phi ong ka sur ksud hatu pila yo ishisha ya ka ta ka durksud hatu pila yo smu shisha ya ka sur jung ksud Henry pishu perkhat but pishu mud hidaladi bakalong kum ta ka sur jung ksud but kalong kum ni ka dur jung ksud namar balai namar pisha pen ngin bit but pisha brainwash haki brio da ka ba phi yo I haki tv lani phi snow ya kum kini ki jaj sur haki videos ki bapher but haki film ki bapher but la pen rung hi ya kini ki jung jing perkhat shapang ka sur but ka dur jung ksud damangi ki para brio ye wei pi wei but kini baro ki ditang ban pen bit ye phi kum ba ong haka ktien paring Bonchu brainwash yapi, klem pat yo iyo tau ksud, klem pat yo snow yo sur jung ksud, Henry tang ka bashu I but ba yo snow yo kata ka sur, haki film ki bapher, haki videos ki bapher, tang dukum ki niru pila sha brainwash lupa, kanu ka sup yo brio ban pen beat para brio, but hang niru ngilap bakat nu rangi ki brio, ngilong ki batang sadum but ki batang beat, kani kamdei ka dur ksud, kani kamdei ka taka dur bula kam baphi ong mapi, Henry kani kadei. Kadur but kasur jungi ki anonymous but kani kadi ka Guy Fawkes mas ki babun ba ki ri hagani ka perthai ki bamdan ya ka jingsu ki bun ba ki ri shikithan Middle East shikithan Africa ki ba im ha ka jingtuk ki ba im ha ka thma hadu manta Henry bun nangi ngimtip shapangani ni im hagani ka juk ka balong ka bashar khai but ka ba ma ba hakaba ki babun ba ki nong ya lam perthai ki thok ingi but ki ong ba kani ka perthai chungi manta ka don ha ka jingsuk Wat lada kini ki politicians but ki nong sin shar jom ki ri bapher ki minjore kata Henry ngi tip bangi im ha ka perthai ka badap da ka jing sneo ka badap da ka jing bamsap ka badap da ka jing thong ka badap da ka jing leben ye ki parabrio ka badap da ki kam auria ka badap da ki kam tu kam thim but ka badap da ki kam thok suda but mangi pada ki padba ni aibor hakum kita ki jat brio ni aibor hakum kita ki nong yalam san perthai bapher ki badap tang da ka jing bamsap ki badap tang da ka jing thok but ka jing jelar but hakum kini ki nong sanshar ni IT ya gani ka perthai ka jungi ki babun ba ki brio hakiri bapher jong gani ka perthai ki la kendit menta but ki lai I ya ka jing shisha but ka di hangi bakala don ka ta ka jing mut jong gani ka Guy Fawkes mas ki brio ki badengi ya gani ka Guy Fawkes mas ki di ki brio ki bakwa banya le persha ya ki kam ki basnio ha gani ka perthai Kidi ki brio ki bakwa men wan lam shapi ya ka jing shisha namar kani ka Guy Fawkes mas kadi ka mas ka bapenya hab but ka movement jonki anonymous ya pi ki bampat tip shipang ki anonymous kidi manu ka subhaban ong baki anonymous kidi ka taka kanhon but ki don yu tau leader lan yu nong mi kamat ujongki but ki bapenlong ye kita ki meeting ki basha kandong kinshot Henry kamdei kumta don nong mi kamatra ki anonymous ki di tu ki brio ki bala smooth hu but ki bakwa ya ka jing shisha ki anonymous di mangi ban mapi ki anonymous ki di ki brio ki bala that ban pet ya ka jing jot jong ka ni ka perthai ki anonymous ki di ki brio ki bala that ban pet ya ka jing bam sap jong ki riu he riu han but ki bala that ban pet ya ka jing bam sap jong ki nong san shar perthai but ki anonymous ki kwa ya ka revolution Bakin yang madiale persha ya ki issue ki bapher wat la da ka de ki issue jong ka global warming lani ka issue jong ka corruption ki anonymous ki yang banyale persha ya kita but ki anonymous ki don hasat la ka perthai but kani ka Guy Fawkes mas ka de ka sharp ka jong ki ban yang banyale persha na ka banta ki kam snew ki kam corruption ki bapher ki baja ha kani ka perthai manu utau Guy Fawkes udai unong yale ubala mud ban pen bethai ya ka House of Parliament lani ka House of Lords jong ka nong ba London hau santarik jong November kanrus pasan ban yale persha ya usim James namar ba union bat ba u iben ya ki pat Kristan Catholic ka jingkwa jong ubat pen bethai ya ka House of Parliament ka klem urlong bat ula shakem bat shapin yap Henry ya ka jing shlur jong u ban yale persha ya King James labana habrok we ka perthai bat kinong ya ki bapher ha kani ka perthai ki phong menta ya kani ka Guy Fawkes mas ya kani ka Guy Fawkes mas la shna da ui unong British ubaju shnai ki kodur comic ubakerteng u David Lloyd bat ya kani ka mas ru lapen iha ka film V for Vendetta ya pi ki brio ki bampat iha kani ka film Smuba bet ya kani ka film V for Vendetta Wat lada kadei tangka film, Henry na kamanta ki nang yaki, but ki activist ki baper akani ka perthai. Kani ka film ka ai jingmut bha yaki, but kani ka film ka pun ibaha, yaka jing shisha, kapa yahap but kani ka perthai, but kani ka juk ka pangisa mangi menta. But kani ka Guy Fawkes mas ka pun iya kata ka jing pitar, jom ki brio ki basha pen biit, but ki basha leben, but ki brio ki bakwa ban wan lam yaka jingkala. Ngidi ban yang ban yelia persha, kum kawai ka dur, kum kawai ka sur, ban ngidi ban pentip shakini ki nong bam sam, but shakini ki nong yelam perthai, ki bajur tang ka jing top, but ka jing bam sam. Baki anonymous kin yang ban yelia persha, hasatla ka perthai. But you pi ki brio ki barang sadum, ki bamut bakani ka surk suet, but ki bamut bakani ka durk suet, dan ka dur bula. Tu ya kadit no, wanum sha brainwash, but wanum sha penbit, haka perthai. Ngidei ka surupan ba. We are anonymous, we are the resistance, we are legions, we are an idea. We do not forgive, we do not forget, united as one, divided by zero. Expect us. Lano Ngin Kyndit.
Greetings, humanity of the world. We are anonymous. It is time to explain the meaning behind the Guy Fawkes mask again, from the limited viewpoint of a rather common citizen. While it seems there is always a war waging somewhere on this planet, we live in a particularly turbulent time. Whether or not fanatical patriots wish to admit it, we live in a world filled with injustice and greed, often at the hands of those we are supposed to trust the most. The corruption leaks down in the form of desperate acts, causing brother to turn against brother. Citizens of nations everywhere are beginning to awaken from their sleep and see the world for what it truly is. As a result, the Guy Fawkes mask has received a new form of recognition due to its direct link to the Anonymous movement. For many who are unfamiliar with Anonymous, it is easy to assume that this is a group, that it has a community, and a leader who coordinates underground meetings. This is not the case. There are no leaders. There is no application to fill out, membership fee, nor gang-style initiation process. The Anonymous movement has become a means for anyone and everyone to take a stand against whatever issue they feel passionate about, be it global warming or corporate corruption. There are those who call themselves Anonymous located on every continent, fighting for a multitude of causes. There is no set idea of what Anonymous stands for, unless perhaps justice and truth. Because the Anonymous movement is not understood, as well as being misrepresented in the corrupt corporate paid mainstream media, many assume it is an actual organization. It is common to hear these people scoff at ordinary citizens for portraying themselves in the Guy Fawkes mask, as though they are flashing a gang sign in a pompous attempt to portray themselves as a gangster, or perhaps these people feel as though you need to earn the right to wear the mask. This is a misunderstanding of what the mask has come to represent. The Guy Fawkes mask itself is now a symbol. For those who are actively fighting corruption around the world, it is a symbol of their anonymity. For the average citizen who takes no part in activism, it is a symbol of awareness. While Guy Fawkes was an actual historical figure, and the tradition of wearing a mask during a Guy Fawkes night is long-standing, the current Guy Fawkes mask was created by British comic artist David Lloyd, and was used in the movie V for Vendetta. It wasn't just the mask's charming smile that caught people's attention, but the message the movie portrayed. While the movie may be considered merely another mindless mainstream production to some, to others it's an artistic form of inspiration, a statement we can relate to in our current times. With the rise of Anonymous, many people around the globe have begun to feel a glimmer of hope that we are on the verge of change, and the Guy Fawkes mask represents that hope. We bring to mind once more the image of a sea of grinning faces, all citizens standing together as one, and deep down, we wish we could change the world as well. We need to put an end to the assumption that the Guy Fawkes mask is something you have to earn the right to wear. We all either have, or will, experience injustice in our lives. We all have a voice and an opinion. We need to stand together as one face, one voice, and let the corrupt institutions of the world know that our eyes are open. So on that note, to all of those who work 40+ hours a week and barely make ends meet, to the college students who cannot find work and pay their loans, to the women who endure sexual discrimination on a daily basis in order to keep their jobs, to those who face the brutality at law because of the color of their skin, to the mothers who cried for the children of Gaza. Wear the mask proudly. It doesn't matter if your face and name are known. It doesn't matter whether or not you've protested at your capital or hacked a major database. What matters is that you are awake.